Things to consider when taking a sample. You're doing research. What do you want to know and how certain do you want to be? That's an important question. In this example, we are delivering shovels to a customer. He orders 100 products and wants to know what the average weight of a product is and what percentage of products are blue. Should you measure all 100 products because it takes a lot of time, or can you take a sample? Well, think about the following questions. What statement or statements do you want to make? And do you need to know the exact true value or the approximate value with some degree of certainty? The exact true value, that's a statement like the average weights of the 100 products are 25.18 kilograms. And if you want to make a statement about the exact true value, you need to research the entire population. And make sure you're working with a valid, reliable and accurate measurement system, otherwise you will be still missing the exact true value. If it's okay to work with the approximate value, then you can make a statement like the average weight of a product is somewhere between 25.08 and 25.35 kilograms. And I'm 95% sure or confident or certain that we will catch the exact true value of the population with the interval of 25.08 and 25.35 kilograms. Well, if that's okay, you can do a sample. Make sure you work with a valid, reliable and accurate measurement system. And you should make sure that you provide a representative random sample of a certain size that's necessary to make the kind of statement you want to make. And that influences the sample design and the sample size. But what also influences the sample design and size is the degree of certainty or confidence you want to have, 90% or 95% or 99%, for instance, and the characteristics of the population. An example. To the left, you can see the data set of the entire population, 100 products. And a close-up of the data set is shown to the right of that. And you can see of each product, the weight has been measured and the color has been assessed or labeled or categorized. And when you look at the entire population, the mean is 25.18, the standard deviation is 0.3487, and the sample size or the population is 100. So then you know the exact true values. And you know what percentage of products is blue. But in most cases, you don't know the exact values of the population. You don't want to measure the entire population, so you take a sample. And you take a sample of the first 10 products. And the population mean is 25.18, but your sample shows an average weight of 25.22 kilograms. And that's what you should expect when taking a sample. Most of the times you won't be hitting the exact true value. Most of the times it's not necessary. So the standard deviation and the mean of the sample differ slightly from the exact true values of the population. And when you look at the percentage shovels that are blue, in reality in the population it's 41%. Your sample shows a percentage of 40%. When you take a second sample of 10 products, it shows a different outcome. The population mean is 25.18 kilograms. The sample size shows an average weight of products of 25.14 kilograms. And in the population, the percentage of blue shovels is 41%. Out of this sample comes up a sample percentage of blue shovels of 43%. And that's what's happening when you're taking samples. Most of the time you won't be hitting the exact true value. It's not necessary. But with a certain confidence, you can make statements about the interval where the value of the population will be caught in. So get clear, what do you want to know and how certain do you want to be? That's an important question when you're doing research and take samples.